guys, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Ada here, and today you already know what we are about to do, so I just won't even waste your time. We'll just be getting into this video. We are going to see how I achieved this colorful, beautiful makeup look. Okay, so guys, if you want to see how we did this, just keep watching and we'll definitely get into this video. And then if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, you're seeing this face for the first time, click that subscribe button and join the family. Click on the notification bell as well so that you don't miss any upload. Okay, so guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's just get this video started.
So guys, I went on to do my brows with my Jordana brow pencil. As always, you guys know that is what I use, and also I clean out with my ColourPop concealer. And today I used my other angle brush that I got from Amazon because I couldn't find my Morphe angle brush and spoolie. I don't know why, but I just suddenly started looking for it as soon as I started my makeup. And after that, I use my Real Technique Beauty Blender to blend everything in, and then I go in with my House of Tara eyeshadow primer. And then from my Morphe and James Charles palette, I go in with the pink color in there. And then after that, I go in with the purple color, like the deep purple color in there. Just to give my eyes a deeper, and then I clean out my eyelid just so I have enough clear space for my photo frames. And after that, I went in with my glitter glue. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter glue. I actually recently purchased that from Amazon, and also the glitters that I'm testing out, I actually also purchased that recently from Amazon, and I really love them. They are like these chunky glitter glues, and I really love them. And after that, I went in with the James Charles palette, the Morphe palette, to get this beautiful blue color for my cut crease area. And then I apply my eyeliner. Then I went ahead to put on my lashes. And then I'm using my L'Oreal gel liner. You all already know the deal. This is this gel liner that I use, and it's super affordable. Got it from Amazon. And then my ColourPop concealer to highlight my face. At this point, guys, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't clicked on that subscribe button, please do so now. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. Just be sure that you're subscribed to my channel, guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Leave your comment down below on what you think about this makeup look. Just leave your comments in the comment section. Let's meet in the comment section as always. I'm blending in now with my beauty blender from Real Technique. Yeah, this is the Real Technique beauty blender. And after that, I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Then after that, I'm going in with this Airspun setting powder to set my highlight. Then I went in with this e.l.f. contour palette, and I am giving that nose a little bit of contour because your nose has to be on point. Then my Milani powder to set up everything, to finish up everything. And after that, I went in with my e.l.f. blush kit. I love this e.l.f. blush. Like, they have two different blush kits. They have for like dark skin, they have for light skin. It's so beautiful and affordable. So if you're in the market for a blush kit, go ahead and grab that. Then this is my Milani Fantastic bronzer. I always use this. It's the bomb. I love how it looks on me. I love how it sits up well on my skin, and I love how it glows. So this is my lip liner, my NYX lip liner. I'll be lining my lips. Today I'll be doing, like a natural lips because I already have my eyes popping. So and after that, I'm going in with this nude lipstick. I can't remember, I don't know the brand of this lipstick. I'll have to check that out and put this in the description box down below. But this lipstick is the bomb. I love how natural it is. Like, look at that. And then my Smashbox setting spray, of course, to set all this glam. And then boom, we are done. Like, look at that, guys. Yeah, so I'm using this. I went back to the palette to get this this blue color that I use for my cut crease area, just to make everything, look good. I needed my eye to pop a little bit more, so I used that for my under eye. And also the purple for the purple side. And Yup, so my eyes can pop. And then boom, look at it. Ooh, okay. Okay, girl. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Beauty
So
mode.
guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really loved creating this makeup look, so I hope you do too as well watching it. And then if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell so you don't miss any upload. Don't also forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. If you have any video suggestion, anything at all, just leave it down below in the comment section. And also leave down below in the comment section what you think about this look, what I would have done more or what I would have done less. Just leave your comment. Let's just meet in the comment section, okay? I'll be leaving details and everything, all the products that I used for this makeup look in my description box down below. So you'll be seeing it all there. Just be sure to leave your comment, give a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and like this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.